Welcome to video 4, your last video, where we're going to be adding a header and footer and viewing and print layout. On the Home tab, actually this just got moved, it's on the Insert tab now. Go ahead and click Insert and Header and Footer. So make sure you're aware of when you're viewing the slideshow. This will be by default, slide is chosen. Notes and handouts is only when you print, when you can see everything on the full page that you print off. And you can see in the black right now where things would show up on the slide, and then notes and handout are these options up here. So back to the slide tab up top, we're going to put a check mark in the date and time. And by default it updates automatically, and here's all the options for the date and time. We're just going to stick with the default one on today's date. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do is click on the slide number checkbox, and we're going to start with slide 1 and make sure that it says don't show on title slide as well. And we're also going to put a checkbox in the footer. With the footer, we're going to say draft, and we're going to say do not distribute. Okay, so with all of this done, again, this is going to show up on these slides as the header and the footer. Go ahead and click Apply to All. And there you can see our notes here. Okay, go ahead and quick save, and we are going to just view in the print layout view. So go ahead and go to File, Print. If your dialog box shows up small and it just has these options, make sure you click Show Details and you can see everything here. With how we are going to print, you can choose your layout right here. So right now, this is the preview it's showing. We're just going to print slides. Usually we don't want to do that. For speakers with presentations, they want 2, 3, 4 slides per page. So we're going to go layout, and we're going to make handouts, which are 3 slides per page. And you can see the preview right here, and it's available to take any notes that you need. If we want to do another quick look at the header and footer section, we can click header and footer here. And right here again is our slide, and we have our date, page number, and whatnot. I want to make a note on my printout, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the notes and handouts as well. So with this chosen, I'm going to again put a check mark in the date and time, and I'm going to click my header, and I'm going to say let's do our name and review. So I'm going to say Mrs. Ross's review. And then with the footer, go ahead and put a check mark here. Oops. And we are just going to say draft, just so we know as the printout here. Apply to all, and you can see it vaguely. It's pretty small, but you can see everything in there. That is all we're going to do. We're not going to print, so go ahead and cancel, and we can save and close out. And even though this was, the basics and an intro into the first unit, hopefully you still learned something from Unit 1. We have 2 assignments, the skills review and the independent challenge to go along with this.